Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to make healthy chocolate candies right in your own kitchen. It's a fun and easy recipe that anyone can follow. These are not only delicious but also guilt-free, so let's dive in. Imagine indulging in chocolate without any of the usual guilt. First, let's talk about the ingredients. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and the wholesome ingredients it uses. You'll need 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, which is rich in antioxidants and gives that deep chocolate flavor. Half a cup of coconut oil, a healthy fat that helps to give the candies a smooth texture. 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup, which adds natural sweetness without the need for refined sugar. And a pinch of sea salt. This might seem like a small addition, but it really enhances the overall flavor. Optional add-ins include chopped nuts, dried fruit, which can add a nice crunch and extra nutrients, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, spicy kick. Get creative. You can mix and match these add-ins to suit your taste. Now, melt that coconut oil. This is the first step to bringing all the ingredients together. You can do this in a microwave-safe bowl or a double boiler if you're feeling fancy. The key is to melt it gently. Once it's melted, mix in the cocoa powder. This is where the magic begins. Stir until it's smooth and silky. Take your time to ensure there are no lumps. You want no lumps, just pure, silky goodness. This will make your candies smooth and delicious. Next, add your sweetener. This is what will give your candies that delightful sweetness. Pour in the honey or maple syrup and mix well. Make sure it's fully incorporated. This is when your mixture starts to look and smell like real chocolate. The aroma will be irresistible. Trust me, this is the moment your taste buds will start to tingle. The anticipation is half the fun. Now let's not forget that pinch of sea salt. It's a small but crucial step. It might seem small, but it makes a huge difference in balancing the flavors. It brings out the sweetness and the chocolate flavor. Stir it in gently. You don't want to overmix at this stage. Here's the fun part, adding your extras. This is where you can really make the recipe your own. Toss in your favorite chopped nuts, dried fruit, or any other add-ins you like, or even a dash of cinnamon. Each add-in brings a unique flavor and texture. Mix everything evenly. You want each bite to have a bit of everything. Grab a silicone mold or a lined baking tray. This will shape your candies. Pour the chocolate mixture into your mold or spread it evenly on the tray. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Smooth it out with a spatula to get that perfect even layer. This will ensure your candies look as good as they taste. Pop it into the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, or until it sets. Patience is key here. If you're in a hurry, the freezer works too, but keep an eye on it. You don't want it to freeze solid. You don't want it too hard, just the right firmness. It should be firm enough to hold its shape, but still easy to bite into. Once it's set, take it out and break or cut it into bite-sized pieces. This is the final step before enjoying your creation. There you have it, homemade healthy chocolate candies. They're ready to be enjoyed. Perfect for snacking, gifting, or just treating yourself. They make a great gift for friends and family. Remember, this recipe is super versatile. You can tweak it to suit your preferences. You can always switch things up with different add-ins, or even adjusting the sweetness to your liking. The possibilities are endless. And there you go, a healthy treat made right at home. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious chocolate candies. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious and healthy ideas. Happy cooking, folks!